Want to inject some serious energy into your edits? Let's learn how to speed up your video clips in Premiere Pro. First things first, open your Premiere Pro project and locate the video clip you want to speed up on your timeline. Now, right-click on that clip. A context menu will pop up from this menu. Select Speed, Duration. This brings up the Speed, Duration window here. You'll see a speed setting, usually at 100% to speed up your clip. Simply increase this percentage. For example, setting it to 200% will make your clip play at twice its original speed, effectively halving its duration. You can see on the timeline that your clip is now shorter. You can also change the duration directly by entering a new value here, and Premiere Pro will calculate the speed for you. Now, let's explore another super efficient method, the Rate Stretch tool. Find the Rate Stretch tool in your toolbar. It looks like a pair of brackets with an arrow. You can also access it by pressing the R key on your keyboard. Click and hold the Rate Stretch tool on the edge of your clip. As you drag the edge inward, you'll see the speed percentage change in real time. Dragging inward speeds it up, and dragging outwards slows it down. This is fantastic for quickly adjusting speed and seeing the impact instantly. You can speed up clips to create exciting fast motion effects, emphasize a crucial moment, or condense a lengthy sequence into a more digestible chunk. Experiment with different speed percentages to find what works best for your video, whether you're creating dynamic action sequences or just want to make your edits more engaging. Mastering these simple techniques will take your videos to the next level. And that's how you speed up video in Premiere Pro. Now go ahead and make your edits pop.